In this video I'll be doing a quick diff oil change for my VF GTS. For this you'll need a ratchet, 75W90 GL5 oil, Penrite or AC Delco, an oil pump and oil pan. Start by jacking up the car and placing it on jack stands nice and level. The diff has two bungs, one here at the bottom for draining and one at the top for filling. Start by undoing the top bung just to make sure that it actually comes off. As you can see, it was pretty tight. Now remove the bottom bung and drain the oil. Once the oil has drained, put the bottom bung back in and fill from the top. Keep pumping until you see oil come out. Now wait for the oil flow to stop, replace the top bung and tighten it up. And that's it, thanks for watching.